walks neath open sky. Life come easy, touch feel new. World feels small when I'm with you. But time move on, life get tight. Bills and stress replace the light. Love don't fade with one big storm. It cool down slow if we don't keep it warm. It's not always roses and wine. Sometimes it's patience and time. Keep the fire warm. Don't let it burn out cold. Love ain't just a feeling, it's something we must hold. Through the quiet, through the norm, when the spark ain't loud like before, we don't need a blazing storm. Just keep the fire warm. Dance in the kitchen much. We don't laugh at every touch, but comfort grow where chaos stood. And that kind of love is good. It's not the rush from yesterday, it's choosing each other anyway. Even when the shine ain't bright, we still sit close at night. Love mature, it shifts its form. It's not always heat, it's keeping warm. Keep the fire warm. Even when it's low, blow gentle on the ember glow. Don't let it go. Through the silence and the norm, through the days we feel warm, we don't need a brand new storm. Just keep the fire warm. A text that say you good, a hug that feel understood, a small thank